Okay, good day. I am from Globalized Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Healthy, ma'am.
Okay, if you are unhealthy, better stay in the Philippines, okay? Because we don't want to have such a problem also later on. Yeah? If you feel that you have something in your body, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why you wanted to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I have kids, ma'am. I want to support them.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I'm ex-abroad from Kuwait.
From Kuwait. Okay, you know what are those preferences of the employers, right? So, okay, so help me introduce yourself, please, first.
Yes, okay, ma'am. I'm RV April Napoleon Beltran. I'm 28 years old from Sarangani province. I'm a single mom. I have two kids. My older is 7 years old, who's Arvin Beltran, and my youngest is 2 years old. Uh, 5 years old, Abia Eunice Beltran.
Okay,
And my father name,
proceed.
and my father name is Arnel Beltran, and his occupation is vehicle dispatcher. And my mother's name is Visitacion M. Beltran, and have a small sari-sari store. And
Okay.
I college level only first year.
Okay, so RV, I need to know some few more details from you. You are a single mother and you got two children, right? So when is your birthday?
My birthday is April 14, 1996.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 flat and my weight is 50.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Catholic. So, who will going to take care of your two children once you come to work here in Malaysia, knowing that you are a single mother?
My parents,
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have, and what is your rank in your family then?
we are two only. I am the youngest and I have a sister and he's a teacher,
Okay, so your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, am I right?
ma'am.
So you were going to sign a 2 years contract and you know it because this is not new for you. You already have an experience working abroad, right? So you know that any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract
Yes, ma'am.
also, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided
Yes,
to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, to sustain your children's needs, because you are a single parent. Am I right?
yes, ma'am.
Is the father of your children still supporting you?
Yes, ma'am. This is his support month.
Okay, so make it as a motivation for you that you are a single mother and then you have two children. So you don't need to give up. Don't tell me, Mom, I wanted to go back home because I miss my children. No such a thing, okay? Because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Usage of mobile handphone also, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finished your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. But if you will work, of course, employer will going to compensate, which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. So are you okay with these terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay with that the condition, ma'am.
In your previous employer, can you go out?
Sometimes only, ma'am. But together with them.
Okay, so can you use your handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here in Malaysia is different, okay? You need to follow our rules and regulations that you can hold it during nighttime only. So don't give it a try to ask permission to the employer that you wanted to go out on your rest day because we were going to adhere with the rules and regulations. Yeah?
Yes,
So as
ma'am.
long as you are okay, then you can come. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines, okay? So
Okay.
don't force yourself to come here even like you are disagreeing with our terms and conditions because you will not be happy working also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2021 to 2024 for 3 years in Kuwait. Is it?
Ma'am.
So can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Kuwait?
Uh, there, ma'am. Take your kids first before anything else. But if the kids are going school, we do all around there. We do all around work.
You do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am. But sometimes only because we first the kids.
Oh, so you focus on taking care of the children, but instead you are flexible enough to do the house chores at the same time while the children is in the school or wherever they goes, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
The youngest there is 7 years old. The second is four, and yeah, I mean the older is seven. The second is four, and the youngest is two. I won
1 year old. So, which part of the chores that you like the most?
because I focus there on the kids.
Oh,
Um,
so you love taking care of children.
yes, ma'am. But if the the kids go school or sleep, we do cleaning.
Okay. Yeah. That is the part of being a domestic helper that you need to be multitasking, okay? Because there is no such a thing that you will just do taking care of children only. You need to be initiative also because you are the one working inside their house, okay? So, same as like what you did in the Middle East, you need also to be flexible here in Malaysia. So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am. I don't have
Can you
experience.
cook?
Yes, I can cook, but Filipino food,
But are you willing to learn some new recipes or like for example Malaysian foods, Chinese foods, Indian foods?
yes, ma'am, willing to learn.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
It's okay. So are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am, but small pets only.
It's okay, no problem. So there is no a big dogs also here. So some employer got a friendly dogs.
Mhm.
So always remind yourself, as I have mentioned many times, if we have opportunity to work in other countries, then we need to embrace it. We need to work harder. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves. Okay. This is not the
Yes,
Philippines. They have our Philippines. We have our laws, right? In other countries or here in Malaysia, they have their own laws also. So we need to follow the rules and regulations. We need to respect the employer. You respect their culture because you're the one working inside their premises for 2 years. Any problems or any concerns, you inform your employer because you are the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
yes, ma'am.
So how do you fight your homesickness?
I always tell myself that I go abroad because of my kids, so our future also.
Yeah, so exactly. Always remind yourself why you wanted to go abroad. Yeah, because you have a better future for your children and you also have goals in your life, correct?
Yes,
I think that's all
yes,
for
ma'am.
now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, RV. But please stay connected to WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Bye.
good day.